In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Pabbly with Systeme.io. This integration can streamline your workflow by connecting two powerful platforms, allowing you to automate tasks and improve efficiency. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Pabbly Connect dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your workflows and integrations. Once you're there, locate and click on the option to create a new workflow. This is your starting point for setting up a connection between Pabbly and Systeme.io. Next, you'll be prompted to choose how you want to create your workflow. In this case, select the option to create from scratch. Then, simply click on the Create button to proceed. This sets the stage for building your custom workflow. Now, you'll need to add a trigger to your workflow. A trigger is an event that initiates the workflow. Click on the Add Trigger button and then decide which Pabbly features you want to connect. This might include options like forms, webhooks, or other actions available within Pabbly. Once you've made your selection, you'll add the app event to define what specific action will trigger the workflow. After setting up your trigger, it's time to configure the webhook. Click on Set Up Webhook and then hit Connect to establish a link between Pabbly and your chosen service. This step ensures that data can flow between the two platforms seamlessly. Next, you'll need to capture the webhook response. This involves clicking on Capture Webhook Response to test the connection and ensure everything is working correctly. Once that's done, you can proceed by adding another action to your workflow by clicking the Add button next to your trigger. In the search bar, type in Systeme.io and then select it from the options that appear. This will allow you to integrate Systeme.io into your workflow. As before, you'll add an app event to specify what action you want Systeme.io to perform as part of your workflow. Then click Connect to link Systeme.io to Pabbly. The next step is to access your Systeme.io account. Head over to the Systeme.io website and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select Settings, and then navigate to MCP and API keys. Here, you'll have the option to create a new API key, which is crucial for connecting Systeme.io with other applications. Once you've created your API key, copy it to your clipboard. Return to your Pabbly Connect workflow and paste the API key where prompted. This final step ensures that Pabbly can communicate with Systeme.io, completing the integration process. And there you have it! You've successfully connected Pabbly with Systeme.io. Now you can automate processes between the two platforms, making your workflow more efficient and saving you time. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy automating!